that the policy, the intent is to destroy the entire territory and quite possibly render it uninhabitable for generations to come. Two things have happened in the last 24 hours that make it, I think, impossible to avoid that conclusion. The first is a warning from Western leaders against explicit Israeli plans to resettle hundreds of thousands of Gazans in the Democratic Republic of Congo. So one report has suggested that there have been secret talks to send displaced people there. Some Israeli officials, including far-right, and that phrase isn't even controversial, members of government, far-right ministers, have been publicly advocating for the resettlement of Gazans. I don't know what definition of ethnic cleansing you work under or the relevant institutions here work under, but if you take an entire people from their homes